Hi guys, in this video I am going to install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS on Virtualbox in Windows 11. Let's start by installing Virtualbox on your computer. You will find a link in video description how to download and install Virtualbox on Windows 11 and also download Ubuntu 20.04 LTS desktop image ISO file from this following URL virtualbox.org and download Ubuntu ISO from this download link. Okay. Open Virtualbox Manager and click on New to create a new virtual machine and name of this machine, my case you can enter another name you want. Okay, and then select operating system type, this case Linux, and then select version 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, then click on next. Select the amount of memory in megabyte to be allocated to the virtual machine. The recommended memory size is 1 GB. You can increase this size if you have enough memory. Okay, now click on next. Now create a virtual hard disk. Okay, the recommended size of the hard disk is 10 GB. Click on create. Now create virtual hard disk. Select Virtualbox disk image, then click on next. Okay, now select dynamically allocated or fixed size. Fixed size is faster to use, but dynamically allocated hard disk file will only use space on your physical hard disk as it fills up, although it will not shrink again automatically when space on it is freed. Okay, select dynamically allocated for the new user. Okay, and then click on next. You can increase the size of hard disk. Okay, then click on create. Now open settings and do the following. Click on system tab and then motherboard. Okay, in this case the base memory, that is the RAM size, is 2 GB, and see the boot order. Okay, and then click on processor tab and increase the CPU if you have enough CPU. Okay, at least 2, and then enable PAE NX. Okay, now click on display and then screen tab, maximize video memory. Okay, and then select graphics controller VMS VGA and enable 3D acceleration. Okay, now click on storage and then click on empty under controller ID and then click on disk icon and choose a disk file. I have downloaded it in my download folder. Okay, to open this ISO file, Okay, now click on OK. Our virtual machine is now ready to install, so click on Start. Press Ctrl plus C at the same time to skip disk checking. Okay, now select the language which you want to use through the installation. Okay, now click on Install Ubuntu. Now select keyboard layout and then click on Continue. Okay, you can choose normal installation or minimal installation. In normal installation, web browser, utilities, office software, games and media players will be installed automatically in the installation time. But in minimal installation, web browser and basic utilities will be installed only during installation time. Okay, select normal installation and then select install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. Okay, now click on Continue. Okay, now select something else. Okay, then click on Continue. Now select the drive and then create a new partition table. So click on New Partition Table. Continue. Okay, now select free space and then click on plus sign and create a swap area. The swap area size will be double of the base memory size, that is the RAM. In this case RAM was 2 GB, so swap area will be 4 GB. Okay, now click on OK. Now select free space and then click on plus sign and select the mount point root and now select ext4 type and then click on install. Okay, the following partitions are going to be formatted. Okay, click on Continue. Okay, now select your location and then click on Continue. Enter your name and then enter your computer's name and pick a username. And choose a password. Okay, and disconnect the internet connection. Okay, now click on Continue. copying files. This will take a while. Almost finished copying files. In a short time, installation will be begin. Okay, installing system. This will take a while. Okay, installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. Restart now. Press enter from keyboard. That's it. Ubuntu is installed on Virtualbox successfully. Now you can delete Ubuntu ISO file from download folder. Okay. Now enter your password. Then hit enter, or you can select the theme from here. Okay. That's great. Now enjoy Ubuntu 20.04 LTS on Windows 11. Okay. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.